Understanding the purpose of speech. Determining the purpose of speech is a crucial step in the speech writing process. We should be clear in our mind about the purpose of speech. The purpose of our speech will determine the content and structure of our message. Knowing the purpose of speech will help us in crafting our message to meet the needs and expectations of our audience. There are several purposes of a speech, such as number 1, to inform. An informative speech provides information to the audience on a specific topic or issue. It provides information to the audience that may not have been known to them before. For example, we may give a speech to inform the audience about the benefits of acupressure. Number 2, to persuade. A persuasive speech is used to convince the audience to take a specific action or to change their beliefs or attitudes about a particular issue. In this speech, we present arguments, evidence, and examples to support our position and sway the audience to our side. For example, we may persuade the audience through speech about the need to stop eating junk food. Next, to entertain. An entertaining speech is designed to entertain the audience by using humor, storytelling, or other forms of entertainment. The purpose is of an entertaining speech is to provide enjoyment and relaxation to the audience and create a memorable experience. For example, Do Schools Kill Creativity by Sir Ken Robinson is an example of an entertaining speech but with a thought-provoking message. Next, to inspire. An inspirational speech is designed to inspire and motivate the audience by sharing stories, experiences, or lessons that have a positive impact on their lives. The purpose is to encourage the audience to take action or pursue their dreams. An example of inspirational speech is speech on the topic Positive Thinking Boosts Your Self-Confidence. Next, special occasion speech. The purpose of a memorial speech is to remember and pay tribute to the person who has passed away and provide comfort to their ones. Other example is farewell speech, speech by the chief guest during a function, etc. It is important to determine the purpose of your speech before you begin writing speech. Knowing the purpose of your speech will help you make decisions about the tone, style, and language of your speech so that your speech is appropriate for your audience and occasion. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.